Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video, I'm going to try out a new car perfume which is Involve Elements, and the fragrance is called Cosmic Energy. You can see the box right here. It's a very nicely packaged box. It opens up like a book to reveal the fragrance inside, and there's a nice branding on the left hand side, and you can see the perfume bottle here. And if you open it up from the top, you can pull it out. You have the perfume bottle itself. I'm going to keep that on the side, and a couple of cards, hanging cards that basically you need to hang maybe from your rear view mirror or wherever you want to apply the fragrance. And you can simply spray the fragrance on these cards and hang them using the strings. With the cards, you get two of the cards, and with the cards you have a thank you note from the manufacturer, which I'm going to keep aside for now, and a card detailing the instructions of how to use, which is pretty much what I was describing earlier. So you have two cards, you can use it on two cards, or you can use one and then take the other one when the first one gets old. And let's talk about the fragrance now. It's a nice fragrance bottle. Basically open it up from the top. Let's go ahead and spray it on the card and check out what the scent is like. I did a couple of sprays on the card and I'm gonna try it out now. Instantly, as I smell it, I get a very fresh oceanic kind of scent, and not musky, not citrusy, but very, very fresh, the kind that you'd love applying on evenings, especially summer evenings, and great for any kind of weather. Especially if you're from a tropical country, you'd prefer less sweet, less citrusy fragrances, and if you're not heavily into musk-based fragrances, this would be perfect for your liking. You would love it, and keeps your car smelling really, really nice. And definitely, it's a must try fragrance. I'm gonna go ahead and hang the card right here, and while we go through the rest of the video, I'm gonna see how the effect stays. The best part about this one is you have full control over how you use it, unlike some of the car fresheners where once you open the box, the scent keeps diffusing, and whether or not you drive the car, you end up using up the fragrance within a month or so, or maybe a couple of months. Whereas with this, you have full control of when you want to spray it. And if you're not a daily driver like me and you drive your car maybe only on the weekends, you can simply spray it when you enter your car in the weekends. It immediately diffuses the smell, and both front and back will end up getting the fragrance pretty quickly, and you don't have to worry about it getting exhausted within a month. So that's one of the best things I like about this concept, where you don't have a box or a package that you open up and the perfume just diffuses within a month. Whereas this one, you control when and how much you want to spray. The packaging we already saw. It's nice looking packaging. In terms of pricing, let me focus on the box. It says $6.99 here for this one, and this is the MRP. Of course, if you shop online on platforms like Amazon, you'll definitely get it at a much discounted price, and definitely it's worth the price that we are paying for this one. Great if you also want to gift it to your car enthusiast friends and family as well, so they're going to love it as well. So definitely, of all the car fragrances I've tried, I would highly recommend to try out this one. If you've already tried it out, I would love to hear your feedback in the comments of your experience of using this one. If you haven't tried it out, the link to purchase this is available in the video description, and you can go check it out. Let me know what kind of car perfume you like to use in the comments below. Do share your feedback, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.